In this video, we'll walk through a parking lot survey workflow using DJI Enterprise drones and AI count. For ski resorts, parking lot visibility can directly affect daily operations. Staff may need to know how full each lot is, when overflow parking should be opened, where traffic is building up, and how arrival patterns change throughout the day. Instead of relying on manual ground checks, a drone can capture a consistent aerial view of the parking lot. AI count can then help identify and count visible vehicles, giving the operations team a faster way to estimate lot occupation and support decision making. Before starting, confirm that the operation follows local regulations, site procedures, and resort safety requirements. Parking lots can include moving vehicles, pedestrians, shuttle areas, snow removal equipment, and changing weather conditions. Always maintain a safe operating altitude and avoid flying directly over people whenever possible. This workflow is designed to support operational awareness and parking lot documentation. AI count can help estimate the number of visible vehicles, but the results should still be reviewed by resort staff, especially when vehicles can be partially blocked by trees, buildings, snowbanks, shadows, or other vehicles. To begin, take off from the approved launch area and climb to a safe operating altitude. Once airborne, position the aircraft so the parking lot is clearly visible. The goal is to frame the lot so the vehicles can be seen clearly. The lot boundaries are easy to understand and rows of vehicles are not cut off at the edge of the image. For the best results, use a consistent altitude, camera angle, and framing each time the lot is surveyed. A straight down view may work well for an open lot, while a slightly angled view may help when the lot includes terrain changes, trees, snowbanks, or other visible obstructions. Once the aircraft is positioned over the lot, enable the AI feature and open the AI count settings. For this workflow, select vehicle as the object type. This keeps the count focused on visible vehicles in the parking lot and helps avoid counting other objects in the scene. Next, adjust the confidence level for the current conditions. The confidence level controls how strict the AI detection should be. A higher confidence level may reduce false detections, but it may also miss vehicles that are partially blocked, covered by snow, or more difficult to see. A lower confidence level may detect more vehicles, but it can also increase the chance of counting objects that are not actual vehicles. Review the results on the screen and adjust the confidence level until it works well for the current parking lot conditions. In this example, the vehicle count updates as the AI detection settings are adjusted. The operator can review the detected vehicles, check whether the count appears reasonable, and fine-tune the confidence level for the current scene. If the live count is all that is needed, the operator can use the on-screen result to support situational awareness. If the team wants to save a record of the count, capture a photo once the parking lot is framed properly and displayed count appears reasonable. When a photo is taken, the result can include a detected vehicles and total vehicle count. This gives the resort team both a visible record of the parking lot and a count that can be reviewed later. After the flight, there are two primary ways to transfer and review the results. The first option is to transfer the photos through the supported FlightHub 2 workflow. When the photos are transferred through FlightHub 2, the AI detection results and vehicle count can be viewed within FlightHub 2. In this workflow, the separate AI viewer tool is not required. FlightHub 2 also provides a centralized location where the operations team can review the parking lot imagery, confirm the image timestamp and location, and share the results with team members who were not present during the flight. The second option shown here is to pull the files directly from the aircraft's SD card. When the original image is opened as a normal photo file, the AI count information may not appear as a visible overlay. To view the detected vehicles in total count from files pulled directly from the SD card, open the included AI Viewer tool from the SD card or export folder. The AI Viewer tool opens locally in a web browser and displays the AI detection information associated with the captured photo. This allows the team to review the photo, see what vehicles were detected, and confirm the total vehicle count after the flight. Once the results have been reviewed, save them using a clear and consistent naming structure. When using the SD card workflow, it can be useful to preserve both the original image and an annotated image showing the AI overlay. The original image provides a clean visual record, while the annotated photo shows the detected vehicles and total count. Once the counts are available, the resort team can use the information to support daily operations. For example, if the main lot is nearing capacity, staff can prepare overflow parking earlier. If one lot is filling more quickly than expected, the team can adjust traffic flow, update parking attendance, or coordinate shuttle operations. Over time, repeated surveys from a consistent viewpoint can also help the resort understand peak arrival windows, weekend patterns, holiday demand, and the effect of weather on parking behavior. For ski resorts, this workflow can support lot capacity checks, overflow planning, traffic management, staffing decisions, and historical documentation. AI count does not replace human review, but it can give the operations team a faster and more consistent way to understand parking lot conditions throughout the day. Whether the results are reviewed live on the controller, transferred through FlightHub 2, or opened from the SD card using the AI viewer tool, the final vehicle count should be reviewed before it is used to support operational decisions. This is one example of how DJI Enterprise drones can support resort operations by turning routine parking lot checks into a visual and data supported workflow.